Hello everyone, welcome back to our C++ series. In today's video, we were going to learn some very basic concepts of programming like comments, keywords, identifiers, and so on. So without wasting your time, let's begin. As you have learned the basic structure of C++ in previous videos, so firstly we will write the basic structure of C++. Hash include IOStream, then namespace std, and in the last we will write the main function. Okay, the first one is keyword. Keyword are the reserved words having special meaning and we cannot use it for other purposes. Like for example, integer is a data type and we have to only use it for the representation of the variable data type. Like I have a variable and I want to declare its data type like integer. So for that purpose I will use int. But I cannot use it for any other purposes, like I cannot assign a variable name as an integer. The compiler will show an error that these are keywords and you are not supposed to use it for any other purposes. Some other examples are if, else, while, for, float, and so on. Second one is identifier. Identifier are actually the names. It may be a function name, class name, or variable name. Like for example, here we will write a shortcut like int a equal to 5. Then here a is a name. It represents a name of variable. So here a is identifier and int is a keyword. Later we will discuss it. It is a keyword but also a data type. Another example is main function. Here the main represents the name of a function. That's why it is also an identifier. Let's come to a third concept, which is punctuator. It is also known as separator. As the name indicates, it separates one element from another element, or it may also shows the end of a statement. Like for example, comma, semicolon, double quotation mark, single quotation mark, square bracket, curly bracket, parenthesis, and so on. As in previous example, if you see, I have declared a variable int a equal to 5. Then at the end of the statement, I put a semicolon. Why I put that semicolon? It is a punctuator and it shows that the statement ends here. So that's the function of punctuator. It may separate the elements or shows the end of a statement. The fourth one is comments. So comments are actually those lines in our coding which is just for human understanding, like why we wrote this code, why we wrote this line in our code. Furthermore, comments are of two types. The first one is single line comment and the second one is multi-line comment. So the first one, single line comment, means that it is a comment consists of only a single line, and multi-line comments, as the name indicates, it is a comment but having multiple lines. For writing a single line comment, first we will put 2 forward slashes, then we will write our comment. But for multi-line comment, firstly we will put a forward slash, then asterisk sign, then we will write our multi-line comment, and at the end we will again put asterisk sign and then forward slash. And also, as you can see in today's video, we have used a lot of comments. So I hope this concept will be clear. The fifth concept is constant. So you people may also have learned about it at school level, like what is constant, like gravity value is constant. Why gravity is constant? Because its value is fixed and it cannot be changed. Similarly, in our programming, constant are those values which is fixed and it cannot be changed during the compilation or the execution of program. So in our program, if we want a constant value, fixed values, and we didn't want to change it, then we will use constant for that value. For example, const int days equal to 7. Here I have declared a variable having name days and its data type is integer having value 7. So before int I put const. It means that this value such that the value of variable days is constant and it is fixed, it cannot be changed. Now comes to the sixth one, which is backslash n. So backslash n is a new line character and it shows that display the message after the backslash n in the next line in the output. Like in simple words, if I used backslash n and after that I display some message, then that message will be displayed in the new line in the output. For example, if I want to display a message hello world in the output, but I want that the hello and world must be displayed in two separate lines, then I will use backslash n between hello and world, like cout hello, then backslash n, then world. And you people can see when I click the run button, then it shows the message is hello, then new line and world. Now the last one is int line. So int line, its syntax is int and l, endl. Okay, it means that int line, it is same as backslash n, but the difference between these two is that int line is slower than the backslash n. Backslash n works faster and it shows the next message immediately, while int line shows it slower than the backslash n. For example, I want to display a message as a hello world in the output, but hello and world should be in two separate lines. But this time I will use int line instead of backslash n. So as you can see, I have wrote cout hello, then I wrote int line, then I again wrote cout, and this time the message is world. So when I click the run button, it shows the two hello worlds in separate lines, but the first one is also present, so it shows hello world and hello in the same line. So I should comment it out so it will be clear to you. Now it works fine. Now I will again include it in code and I will put end line at the end of the first line code when I run it again. So all the hello world are shows in 4 separate lines. So that's our today's session and I hope you will enjoy it and learn something new. So make it like, share with your CS friends, and for further session subscribe to our channel. Thank you.